Our ingredients are coconut milk, monggos, glutinous rice or malagkit na bigas, and also we have brown sugar, and to make it more special, we have jackfruit or langka. Smells good. Half kilo po siya. Para maging ma-flavor na siya, lagay natin ang ating munggo. Para habang kumukulo, lumalasa at umaamoy na yung kanyang flavor. Let's add sugar, brown sugar, to taste. Malapot na. And to make our ginataang munggo more special, let us add this jackfruit or langka. Okay, our ginataang munggo special is almost done. Okay, let's have a taste. Perfect. Perfect. Masarap talaga siya. Buono. Mauubos ko to. Ang sarap.